People's Party Minister L. Jayanthkumar has said the party will remain silent on the present political scenario unfolding from the present BJP-led coalition government. The Apunba Iraipaki Mahiroi Sinpang Loop has observed its 7th Foundation Day at Kwakaitel Bazaar, Imphal. The loop has been taking part in various social causes and will continue to perform its part in the future. The RAD Institute, led by anesthesiologist Dr. Kennedy Tayanjam and Dr. Nomai Kapam Jitendra Singh, organized a one-day workshop on CRP cardiopulmonary resuscitation at its office at Uripok, Taurang Bamlaikai, Imphal today. Topics on how to restore spontaneous blood circulation and breathing in a person who is in cardiac arrest were discussed. 22 Indian women boxers, including MC Mary Kom and L. Sarita, have assured medals by entering the semi-finals of India Open International Boxing Tournament in Guwahati. Ace boxer Mary Kom had an easy win against Nepal's Malarai in the quarterfinal last night. L. Sarita Devi also defeated her opponent in the 60 kg category and stormed into the semi-final. The Indian Army will conduct the first ever recruitment rally exclusively for women for enrollment into Soldier General Duty category as Women Military Police for the Northeastern region in Shillong. The recruitment will be held in July, and the headquarters recruiting zone Shillong Northeast has been nominated to conduct the rally for the Northeastern region and Kolkata zone. Nagaland Chief Electoral Officer Abhijit Sinha said counting of votes for the lone Nagaland parliamentary constituency will be held in 13 locations in the state tomorrow. In a release, Sinha said EVMs would be counted in one counting center each in 11 districts of the state and in one center in Pugovoto subdivision. In a pre-dawn launch today, the country's newest microwave Earth observation satellite, RISAT-2B, rode to its orbit 557 km above the ground. Data that will come from the all-weather day and night satellite are considered to be vital for the armed forces as well as agriculture forecasters and disaster relief agencies. Pre-dawn operation today engaged a group militants in a gunfight in Jammu and Kashmir's Kulgam area. An official said a joint team of the army, police and CRPF encircled Gopalpora area and zeroed in on hiding militants, triggering an encounter. 8 magnitude hit the Andaman and Nicobar Islands this morning. According to reports, the quake occurred at 6:09 a.m. with its epicenter in the Andaman Islands. The Andaman and Nicobar archipelago is prone to earthquakes. A federal judge has ordered US President Donald Trump's accountants, Mazars USA, to comply with a subpoena from the House of Representatives Oversight Committee and submit financial records related to President Trump to the committee. Prior to becoming president, Trump frequently inflated and deflated his financials to suit specific financial goals and plans.